Unlocking the magic, the power of wishing upon a star. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and magical phrase that you might have heard in stories, movies, or songs, wishing upon a star. This phrase is not just about stars and wishes. It's a gateway to understanding cultural nuances and the power of hope and dreams in the English language. So, let's dive into the magic and learn what it truly means to make a wish upon a star. The phrase, wishing upon a star, finds its roots in ancient times when people looked up to the stars and believed they had the power to influence their lives. This belief is encapsulated in the act of looking at the night sky and wishing for something deeply desired, with the hope that the stars will guide that wish to fulfillment. This tradition has been passed down through generations and has found its place in many aspects of modern culture. Wishing upon a star is more than just a phrase. It represents hope, dreams, and the infinite possibilities that life offers. It has been popularized by fairy tales, Disney movies, and countless stories where characters make a pivotal wish that leads to a turning point in their lives. This phrase teaches us about the power of believing in our dreams, no matter how unreachable they may seem. In English, saying you're wishing upon a star can be a way of expressing a deep hope or desire for something that might seem distant but is earnestly desired. It can be used metaphorically to encourage others to dream big or to share your own aspirations. For example, as I start my new job, I'm wishing upon a star for success and happiness. You might hear or use this phrase in various contexts. During moments of reflection, when setting goals, or even in casual conversations about hopes for the future. It serves as a reminder that it's okay to dream and to believe in the possibility of those dreams coming true. Wishing upon a star is a beautiful reminder of our shared human experience, of looking up at the night sky and dreaming of a better tomorrow. It teaches us the importance of hope, faith, and the pursuit of our deepest desires. We hope this exploration has inspired you to keep dreaming and to believe in the magic of your own wishes. Remember, the next time you look up at the night sky, a simple wish might just be the beginning of something wonderful. Thank you for joining us, and may all your starry wishes come true.